bansuri from Amazon. I am very excited to see how it looks. So let's unbox. This flute looks really big. This is the C-scale flute which I am currently using by Sarfuddin Flutes. Compared to C-scale, G-scale looks really big. Since C-scale bansuri from Sarfuddin Flute is a very good quality, so we ordered G-scale from Sarfuddin Flutes. Now let's unbox it. This is G-scale bansuri. It looks like this. Finger holes in G-scale is far compared to C-scale. Holes are far compared to C-scale. You have to stretch your fingers while playing this flute. I have to learn how to play this flute. After that, I can release new videos with this. Sound in G-scale sounds like this. Play Sa in C-scale. This is really different from each other. So friends, this is all about G-scale bansuri. Thank you for watching my video. Bye friends, see you in the next video.